Dear Waec candidate, today I begin to solve the 50 OBJ chemistry questions. So if you took the exam, take time to go through the videos and learn how the questions are solved. This is number one. And this number one is from the topic kinetic theory of gases or gas laws. It says, when the pressure on 200 cm³ of a gas is doubled and the absolute temperature is halved, its volume would become what? Now, this is how you will get the answer so fast in case of JAMB. I would like you to first of all know the variables involved. You can see we have pressure here, volume is there also, and absolute temperature. So once you have PVT, the next is to remember or recall the general gas equation, which connects both the pressure, the temperature, and the volume. Since the question involves the three parameters, pressure, volume, and absolute temperature, you recall the gas law that involves the three, and that is the general gas law, which states that P1 V1 over T1, these are the initial conditions, equals P2 V2 over T2, final conditions. Now you come back to the question. When the pressure, initial pressure P1 on 200 cm³, that is the initial volume, which means you have to replace V1 with 200 cm³ times 200. So when the pressure on this 200 cm³ of a gas is doubled, now this P1 is doubled to become P2, meaning that the P2 is now double of P1. You replace P2 with double of P1 because P2 became possible when P1 doubled itself. And its absolute temperature is halved. T1 is now halved to become T2, which means T2 is now half of T1. Its volume will become, the question is now asking you what is V2. To do that, you cross multiply this. The whole of this times T1 equals this times this. So we go 2P1 V1 times T1 equals half T1 P1 times 200. Sorry, V2 here, not V1. Now you are looking for V2, right? Meaning that you will divide this by the neighbors of V2, which are 2P1 T1. So that 2P1 will cancel 2P1 and T1 will cancel T1. You do the same thing here. Divide by 2P1 T1. P1 is up here, P1 is down here. You cancel two of them. T1 is down here, T1 is up there. You cancel two of them. And you ask yourself, what is remaining here? We have V2 here equals, what is here? Half times 200 divided by what's here? 2. Half times 200 is 100. That is half of 200 divided by 2. And you are going to get 50 cm³. This is the second volume. And the second volume is actually the quarter of the first volume. So when the pressure on 200 cm³ of a gas is doubled and its absolute temperature is halved, its volume will be quarter of the first volume. And the answer is there, B. Now, did you get the correct answer? Did you fail it? Whether you got it correctly or you failed it, come to the comment section. And if you have any question, type it at the comment section and I'll meet you there.